welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig for you, and it is from none other than UNice hair. Now I have become quite fond of their units, and I have this very unit in a different color variation, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now this is always one of my most favorite style wigs to wear because they're so easy, so convenient, and they're just beautiful, overall beautiful to wear. Now this is one of their Byebye knots curly unit with the finger coil curly curls at the bottom. So yeah, just like maybe a couple months ago, I brought you this wig in a dark brown black. And I love that hair. I absolutely love it. Like I said, they're so easy to maintenance. And it just looks so pretty. But this is it. OMGG. Look at the colors on this. Beautiful. And I just love the curl pattern. So cute. I love those finger curls at the bottom. I like to break it up a little more, but I like some of them to still be visible, if that makes sense. Super cute. This color is everything. Look at that. OMGG. It's kind of giving balayage vibes a bit. I love it. She is super cute. I love my good colored units. I love those. Especially in my curly textures. Look at that. Pre-cut. Pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. She is just ready to go. Look at that. OMGG. Here is your cap construction. She's pretty standard. We have our thin adjustable strap here and back. And we do have the little adjustable drawstring here, which I have come to love. I really do like that style. I do. It adds for more security, in my opinion. Especially when you have this much lace. It just helps your lace to lay flatter. Especially when you enjoy a good glueless unit like me. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into it because, like I said, this is a fast throw on and go unit, girl. She's beautiful. And as you see, right out of the pack, she's ready to go. Look at that. OMGG. She is cute. Now, my lace is a little lighter than I'd prefer, but you already know what we do with that. We go in with our makeup and just powder that lace. Powder it in and it looks amazing. Now, look at this. This is how it looks just straight out of the pack on your head. Now, you can break the curls up or you can wear it just like this. Either way, I feel like it is cute. Look at that. OMG. Oh, the curls are just giving. It is giving. It is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and just take some of my makeup. This is my bronzer. And just go around the perimeter of my lace. Just to make it less visible. And look at that. And just like that, I'm satisfied. That works for me. That works. The curls are just everything. This is one gorgeous unit. OMGG. Okay, I'm going to give you some back action. Now you can do styles with it if you want to take some of the hair and make you some cute little baby hairs to the unit. You can definitely do that. You can customize this and make it your own look. This is just gorgeous though. Look at that. Oh, it is beautiful. Here it is from the back. Just nice and full fluffy curls. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Definitely recommend. So don't skip over that description box. The direct link will be down below. And if you're interested in seeing it in that darker color, I'll have that video linked down below for you. But this one is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Like I said, these are like my favorite wig styles are the curly units. I love the curlies. I love my water waves. This is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It's just so youthful and pretty to me. Let me know what you think. So girl, make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there'll definitely be another video. Bye. But make sure you check out UNice hair. Nice, beautiful hair. Glueless units.